Hey, hey, what if hanging out with me, having fun could unlock your own sensational, intuitive, psychic powerhouse of gifts? And what if you could learn how to be a better EFT practitioner, even if you haven't even started yet? I'm not here to help you be normal. I'm here to help you be supernatural and to really tune in to your own natural gifts. We all have them. You already have intuitive gifts. You just might need the right kind of soul detective work to unleash them. Here's what I know. We're all born with different levels of intuition and intuitive gifts. Now, sometimes they blossom and grow, and sometimes they get shot down. Mine got shot down because of a very strict religion. And it took a visit from Archangel Gabriel to help me wake up. And you know what Gabriel said to me? Teach everybody that they can do anything that they desire to do, that they have the intuitive nature naturally within them. And then I learned scientific ways to bring it out. And what does this have to do with EFT? Because I developed forensic EFT. Why? Because it digs deeper and because it activates your intuitive gifts. If you're the practitioner, you can learn to be a better EFT practitioner by bringing out what's already normally within you that you never thought you could access. I have scientific ways to help you access that. Doesn't that sound like fun? I'm Rebecca Marina, and I've been doing energy work and EFT since way back when Gary Craig was first coming out with it, when he was doing it with the veterans. That's how long ago I got introduced to EFT. And let me tell you, it has changed my life. I used EFT to help me through a really rough marriage. I use EFT to help me drop, about 50 pounds. Here's what I want you to know about forensic EFT. It's not just surface level tapping, although if you're new, everybody starts out like that. But when you tap into your intuition along with the skills of EFT, you're just going to be an extraordinary practitioner. It's like you have energetic X-ray vision mixed with divine guidance. How fabulous is that? It's not just emotional, it's spiritual, it's psychic, it's energetic. Let me ask you this. Have you ever felt like life is kind of passing you by, that, ooh, I should be further along by now? My intuition flares up sometimes. You know that gut feeling that you better follow, right? And then it just fizzles out. Like, I want to trust my gut, but I'm not sure if I'm right. That's a good sign. That means you're on the edge of something really big. Learning to trust your intuition along with knowing how to do tapping and any kind of energy work is key to being what? Sensational. Why settle for ordinary when you have everything within you to be sensational, to be amazing? I started off doing EFT way back when. I used to go to Gary's seminars, and I'd love it because sometimes he would put on Elvis Presley and dance with us, ladies. So I've got tools, I've got decades of energy work, psychic development, divine channeling under my belt. I've taught thousands of people how to channel and how to do EFT. I've got proven tools to help you get the right intuition power. I know you have it in you. I know that you're meant to be extraordinary. Sometimes you need a little bit of love with a guide who knows the path. Are you ready to stop shrinking and start shining? Let's work together to unlock your psychic gifts, perhaps with forensic EFT. And when you roll with me, you're just going to be sensational too. I have a gift for you at EFTexpert.com. That is my 5 clearing techniques that will be magic whenever you're doing a session or receiving a session. You want to have your energy clear and balanced. And then I've added 10 phrases that you will never say if you want to be credible and believed. I'm Rebecca Marina, EFT expert, and I invite you to subscribe, like, share, and give me a thumbs up. And that's a wrap.